Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by assembling what you must have: a template, assets, and a tight outline. Choose 16:9 for screens. Make sure branding colors and fonts are ready so design is fast. Once done, map 3-7 core points and decide which visual supports each one. This prevents slide bloat and saves time later. Start the first slide, place your headline, then add the key visual, an image, chart, or icon to lock focus and set structure. Now you create and refine slides. Use the slide master to apply headers, footers, and consistent text styles so edits propagate automatically. Insert charts from your data and simplify. Remove grid lines, label axes, and use 1 to 2 highlight colors to direct attention. When adding text, break into short bullets and use visuals instead of long paragraphs. Once slides exist, proof transitions and align elements. This ensures visual hierarchy and keeps the audience focused on your message. Finish by rehearsing and polishing. Run the slideshow to check timings, media playback, and any linked files. This avoids surprises during delivery. Export a PDF for handouts and an MP4 if you need a recorded version, while keeping a PPTX editable file. Make sure to test on the actual projector or monitor so colors and fonts render correctly. If something fails, reload your cloud backup and disable problematic media. That quick swap often fixes playback issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.